Hello students, now come to lecture number 2. In lecture number 1, I have explained you till question number 1 to question number 7. Now we will go to question number 8. You can see this question properly once again and please note down. Okay, now come to question number 8. Question number 8 is simplify the following and write the result in words. Simplify means it is multiply. Simple. Simplify. 2506 into 326. Here, please don't take the help of calculator. Okay, don't take the help of that simple calculator or mobile calculator. You have to multiply it like this. Okay, you have to multiply it, and whatever answer will come, that answer you have to write in words. Okay, whatever answer will come, that answer you have to write in words. Okay, students. Now let's come to question number 9. Question number 9 is same as question number 7. Okay, question number 7 you have to replace the star. In question number 9 also here is multiply and you have to replace it from star. Okay, you have to replace this star by a correct digit. So question number 9. See one question just 3 2 star 9 star 3. Here multiply. Now see 9 star 2 7. Here star 5. Okay, see here star 5. Again here star. Again here 7 2. Here multiplication. Now here star 4 star 6 star 2. Okay, now you have to replace this star by a correct digit. Okay, understood? Now you see everyone knows the table of 3 2 9 3. Okay, now see 9 multiply 3 27. 9 into 9 times 9 times 1 9, 9 times 2 18, 9 times 3 27. Okay, so if you will, when you will multiply, you will get 27 7. Okay, now what? Here carry 2 comes. Here carry 2 comes. So what number you will put here? So it will come 2, and you have to add 2 also. See, if I will put 1, then 1 into 3 3 it will come 2. No, it will come 5. If I will put 2, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2, 6 plus 2 8. No. If I will put 3 times 3 9, then 9 plus 2 11. No. If I will put 4 into 3 12 plus 2 14. No. 5 into 3 15 plus 2 17. No. Then what? 6 into 3 18 plus 2 or 20. No. 7 into 3 21 plus 2. It will 7 into 3 21 plus 2 23 it will come. No. Then 8 into 3 24 plus 2 it will come 26. Then 9 into 3 27 plus 2 29. So you have to think what number you will put here. See, I have taken from 1 to 9, but I have not taken one more important thing, 0. I have not taken 0. So see, when you will multiply from 0 into 3 what will come? 0 into 3 0. Okay, so and plus 2. So 2 came. Understood? Now 2 in, now there is no any carries here. Okay, so see 2 into 3 6. Yes, 6 will come. This is start. And 3 into 3 9. Okay, understood? Now come to this 9 star this. What number you will multiply here? It will come 2. So when first I am writing a 9 table. Okay, 9 into 4 times 36, 9 into 5 times 45, 9 into 6 times 54, 9 into 7 times 63, 9 into 8 times 72, 9 into 9 times 81, 9 into 10 9. So see, in 9 table, see the one digit number is 2 is there, first digit. Yes, 9 into 8 7 times 72. So I will write here 8. Okay, so see 9 into 8 72 2, carry will be 7. You know already here this star is 0. Okay, and this is 8, but we have carry 7. So 0 into 8 0, and the carry plus 7, that's why it is 7. Okay. Now come to this number. No carry is there. 2 into 8, what? 16. 2 times 8, 16. Now 1 carry is there. 8 into 3, 24. And 1 carry plus 1, 25. Now see 25. In 25, 5 is already written. Then you have to write what? 2. This is 6. Okay. You have to write 2. Got it? This star 2, this star 8, this star 6, this star also 6, this star 2. Got it, students? Now add 7 plus nothing is there, then it will be 7. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4 is there. Now see, here 6. 6 plus 7, what? 13. Then 1 carry will come. Then 1 plus 6 plus 7, 30, then is 30. Now 1 carry will come. Then see here, 9. Now this star is 6. 9 plus 6 what? 15. 1 carry you will add in 1. This will become 16. So 16, 6 already it is written. Now comes 1. So 1 plus 5. Here 1 you will add. 1 plus 5 what it will become? 6. 1 plus 5, 6. Now this star is already 2 is there. That's why 2 plus 0, 2. Understood? You can see it. Again I am repeating. This is star 0, this is star 8, this is star 6, this is star also 6, this is star 2, this is star 7, this is star 3, this is star 6. Okay? Now we will go to next question. Question number 10. Everyone knows divide? I hope everyone knows divide. In standard 4, in standard 3, in standard 2, you are reading it from standard 1, I think. So in question number 10, you have to divide and find the quotient and remainder, whatever like 10, 25. Okay, so whatever this quotient and this is quotient, you have to write quotient also and you have to write remainder also. Okay. Question number 11, without dividing, say whether the following statements are true or false. Without dividing, say whether the following statements are true or false. So for 11, one question I am just explaining you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 6 is divisible by 2. See, when you will divide, you will get the answer. But already a question is you have to find without dividing. So in standard 4, you have read how to check the divisibility of 2, how to check the divisibility of 4, 3. So see, in the table of 2. When you will write table of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. So you can check what is last digit. What is last digit number is 6. So check. In the table of 2, last digit number is 6 is coming. Yes. Then it will be divided. Then yes, this statement is true. Yes, it is true. How you have recognized? Check the first digit. Now check the table of 2 is 6 is coming. Yes, 6 is coming. So yes, this is true. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 6 is divisible by 2. Question number 12. Now there is word problem question. The price of a cow is this. How much money will Radhe pay to buy 39 cows? See, I am giving another example. The price of this book is 50 rupees. Okay. The price of this book is 50 rupees. Now I have to buy 10 books. So how much I will pay? What? 50 rupees, 10 books means 50 into 10. I will pay 500. It means multiply. So question number 12, 13. Type it by own. Question number 14 is find the greatest common divisor of the following. Okay. 15 find the LCM. 14 do it by own. 15 also do it by own. From 16 we will discuss in next class. Your homework is you have to solve the question number 15. From 16 we will